We have to find the nature of the roots. This is the quadratic equation. This quadratic equation we will compare with this standard form of the quadratic equation. By this, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to 5. Next, we will find the value of d, discriminant, and d represent the nature of the root. If d is greater than 0, then roots are real and different. And if d equal to 0, then roots are real and same. If d is less than 0, roots are not real, it means imaginary and different. Value of d, formula for d, that is b square minus 4ac. Put the value of this a, b and c, then b square minus 4ac. B square, that is 9, minus 4ac 40, minus 31. D is less than 0. Hence the quadratic equation has no real roots. Less than 0, it means imaginary. This is the second equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is compared with by this. By comparing, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, and c equal to 4. Put the value in d. D is b square minus 4ac. B square, 4 4 is 16, and root 3 square, that is 3. 16 3 is 48. Minus square, that is plus, that 48. And it is 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48. That is 0. Quadratic equation has real and equal roots. Because d is 0, the nature of the quadratic equation will be real and equal. Now we have to find the roots. X equal to minus b plus minus root of d upon 2a. Actually, this formula is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. This is the formula. And this value b square minus 4ac, that is d. Then here we will put d. Now put the value of d, 0. Then this minus b, that is plus 4 root 3 upon 2a, it means 2 into 3. It means 2, 2 is a 4, and root 3 will cancel out by this 3, then 2 upon root 3. Then hence, this is the value of x. Hence, the roots of given quadratic equations are 2 upon root 3. Because the roots are real and equal roots, then both the roots will be 2 upon root 3. Then this is the answer. Now this is the third equation. We have to find the nature of the root, and if roots are real, then find them. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, and c equal to 3. D equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant, the formula of this. B square minus 4ac, this. 12. 12 is greater than 0. It means the roots are real and distinct or different. Now put the value in x, finding the roots. X equal to minus b plus minus root of d upon 2a. Put the value here. B, d and a, that is root 12. Root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. Root 12, that is root of 4 into 3, it means 2 root 3 here, 2 root 3. Put here x. Now this we will take common 2. 3 plus minus root 3 upon 4. 2 2s are 4. Now 3 plus minus root 3 upon 2. Now these two taking plus sign and taking minus sign, these two are roots.